Welcome back to the ultimate crash test showdown. Today we're diving into the Euro NCAP safety scores for three 2024 SUV stars, the Hyundai Santa Fe, Mazda CX-80, and Subaru Forester. Buckle up, folks, it's about to get detailed. 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's get rolling. At first glance, the Santa Fe brings bold design with its robust silhouette, but how does it stack up in crash tests? Overall rating? The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe earns a stellar 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Safety meets style here, folks. Adult occupant safety, the Santa Fe scores exceptionally high, thanks to its sturdy chassis and cutting-edge airbag system, protecting passengers in frontal, side, and rear collisions. A breakdown? A whopping 92% score in this category. Child occupant protection. The kiddos are super safe here, with 85% coverage. ISOFIX mounts are easily accessible, and even side impact scenarios showed minimal risks. Vulnerable road users. With pedestrian safety tech and energy-absorbing front-end designs, the Santa Fe hits 65%. A bit room to improve here, but those collision avoidance systems work wonders. Safety assist, here's where it shines. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise, and AEB combined for a 93% score. Hyundai's putting the smart in smart tech. Safety pack scores. Optional packages bump these numbers up for those who crave maximum protection. Vulnerable road user scores leap to 68%, and safety assist skyrockets with even more advanced systems. That's a wrap. Mazda CX-80. Starting strong with the CX-80, Mazda's 3-row crossover aims to dominate the family market, and its Euro NCAP results show it's not playing around. Another 5-star Euro NCAP award winner. Mazda is all about combining elegance with safety. Adult occupant, earning 90%, the CX-80 ensures solid crash protection for front and rear occupants alike. It aces frontal offset and side crash scenarios. Props to Mazda's reinforced body structure. Child occupant. Mazda prioritizes younger passengers with an 88% score. Impressive. Secure ISOFIX mounts and great restraint setups offer parents peace of mind. Vulnerable road users. Pedestrian-friendly design earns 78%, quite solid for a big crossover. AEB kicks in quickly to prevent impacts, bolstering the score. With advanced tech like driver monitoring, lane centering, and emergency stop assist, the CX80 hits a remarkable 91 this. End of an epic performance. ...2024 Subaru Forester. Let's check out Subaru's legendary Forester. The rating, yes, you guessed it, another 5-star NCAP safety superstar. Subaru's eyesight technology works like magic. Adult occupant protection. A mighty 94% ensures superior safety for passengers with excellent side and frontal crash metrics. Subaru doesn't skimp on the frame design. Child occupant. This compact SUV ensures young ones ride safe with a competitive 86%. Easy child seat installation seals the deal. Vulnerable road users. With a 74% score, the Forester shines with pedestrian detection systems and hood energy absorption to mitigate impacts. Safety assist. It's all about tech. Subaru scores 95% thanks to standout systems like pre-collision braking and adaptive cruise control. Eyesight takes this car's safety to another level. That's all for today, folks. Conclusion. The Hyundai Santa Fe, Mazda CX-80, and Subaru Forester 2024 all flex their 5-star NCAP badges. Hyundai dazzles with tech, Mazda merges elegance with protection, and Subaru holds it down with relentless reliability. Which would you choose? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth safety reviews.